The problem of women economic empowerment is very complex. It's multi-layered, it's multidimensional. But if you talk about the top two or three issues, then for me that is clearly access to economic opportunities and financial inclusion, which has an effect on the private and the public sectors both. And secondly, the very conventional norms and stereotypes of the woman having a role of a caretaker and a child protector and a parental caretaker in society, especially in the part of the world that I come from, Pakistan. I think the high level panel is an enabler. We're bringing together forces, we're bringing together very strong voices and people who have achieved or done something for women economic empowerment in their relevant domains to create a voice to convince the unconvinced. How will I determine success? Of course, success for us all is the Planet 50-50 goal by 2030. But for me, on an individual level, if I can change the life of even one or five or 10 or 100 women, that would be success for me. Well, for me, again, this particular high level panel is very special. Why? Because in my own capacity as a high level panel member, I've already been able to influence the Punjab government in Pakistan, one of the main provinces of the country. We've already set up a Women Economic Empowerment Council, which has engaged 7 ministers, including the Minister Women, Minister Population, Minister Finance. And we are all working together towards a set of 16 key agendas for women economic empowerment that has already been put in place because of the pressure and the political will galvanized at the high level panel. So I think this panel is already speaking for itself. It's already moved from the trajectory of advocacy to action, and it's already creating real tangible steps. Why do we have so many of these high level panels? We do, certainly. But that just gets to show the gravity of the situation, the gravity of the problems that we have in this world, and how we're all trying to club our forces and influences to achieve solutions.